First thing you gotta do is pull this off. As soon as you raise the hood, this is what's there. You got one on the airbox side, one right here, 2 push holes, which basically is these. Just push this down, push it out. There's one on each side. There go the other one. We got this out, but it's a pain. This actually separates in order for you to get that out, because these 3 notches right here, bam, bam, and bam, it's those back there. That one, and that one. You can't get to it while it's in the car, while it's in the vehicle. But I just pried it up. You raise this up, put something under the intake. I just use this bar to lift the bolts so they could get past the intake. If not, you'll mess up your seals here, and you don't want to do that unless you want to buy some new ones. But now we're down to this. I'm not going to need this anymore. You need to pull this off. This is a rubber thing that keeps the quietness from the injectors. It's kind of a noise filter thing. And here we go. Now I'm getting a P206, which basically is the number 6 injector, which is this. They said to check a few things on here, but you know, majority of the people just said replace it. And if I pull this out, I'm gonna replace all of them. So we're gonna take off this, and this 10mm, and this wrench right here. So we'll just loosen this and this so I could twirl it out the way. Then these 2, I think they're 17, I'm not sure. But after that, we'll take these off. It's 4 of these. There's one here, 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 and that one. And then this just pries up, and the injector rail will be in my hand. So let me put both hands on that, and we'll make it happen. All right, let's get it.
So when you undo this, it's going to have gas line pressure. So it is a 17mm. What I do is I just wrap a towel over top of it, just so it doesn't squirt everywhere. Just to let the pressure off. As you can see, it's leaking. That's okay. The leak is fine. You just don't want it squirting in your face. What you gotta do is loosen up all these. Put your towel up on here, because it's gonna leak some gas. They do recommend that you take like towels or trash bags and put them in these ports. You don't want anything falling down in those things. So make sure you take that precaution.
Alright, 13mm bolts, all 4 of them loose. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands. Cut you back up. Just put a little dip of oil on the end of the rubber. Put it back together. Just gonna rub a little dab of oil around these rubber rings, and I'm gonna slide him back in to the holes. Get that going, kick you back in. Oh yeah, if you pry it up, don't mess it up, you're good. Sometimes you gotta replace the harness. It's only because I accidentally put the pry bar under it, so I had a few bad pieces. Alright, let's get this in. Up. Got that hooked up. Yes. Gotta make sure you hook up all the little stuff. This right here, alternator. Everything's hooked back up except for this and this, which goes on the air filter. The boot goes around the throttle body. And we'll connect it to the air cleaner. And after that, looks like everything's hooked up. And we'll connect that battery. Alright, let's get it. Alright. Things hooked up. Air filter. Both plugs. Let's fire it up and see what we got. No engine codes. So lovely.